Hey guys, welcome to Loginits. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Wise app on your iPhone. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the Wise app on your iPhone, first open up the App Store on your iPhone. And after opening the App Store, guys, make sure to land on the search page of the App Store, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen on any iPhones, guys. You can see there is the search button available for us. Tap on there at the bottom right, and on the search panel, guys, at the top of the screen again, you can see there is the search bar available for us. Tap on that and search for Wise and tap on search, and you can see over here, guys, there is the Wise option available for us. First on the top of the list, tap on that and tap on the get option over here, and then the Wise app will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone after a few moments. And with that being said, guys, this is how you download and install the Wise app on your phone. Wait for it, guys. The app will be installed on your phone. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace.